Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Shakray. I am the founder of Your Lock Muse, but I also love all things content creation, and I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So today is going to be a very busy day. It is content day, and content days for my business specifically is when I have my customers come into the office and we get content with the product. I do this a couple of times a month with new products, old products, so that I am constantly putting out fresh content. And originally I had 4 people coming in today. One was my friend, but I had to text her and let her know, like, I don't know why I would have 4 of y'all come in on one day. Like, that's honestly gonna be too much socializing for me, so can you come tomorrow? So she's gonna come tomorrow, and then I have models today at 12, 1, and 2 o'clock. In addition to, I have orders that I still need to work on and get those out the door. I have inventory coming from Amazon whenever they decide to pop their little heads up to the office. But I pulled up to the office at about 9 o'clock. It's 9:22. I just set a 30-minute alarm to kind of gather myself because this is going to be a very, very busy day. I have my Starbucks, my matcha with chai, and I just got a mozzarella tomato sandwich. Don't know if I'll have time to actually run out and get lunch. I may have to call my mom because she literally lives right here, so, and she's normally out and about, to see if she'll bring me lunch. Not if, because I know that she will. And when I get into the office, I need to clean it. Baby, I have fabric all over that floor. When I'm working, I just cut and let the stuff fall on the floor, and I'm like, I'll sweep it up. So I know that it looks a mess in there. I need to get that cleaned up first. That way I can make the spiral ties for the models. And then from that'll probably take about an hour. So from 10:30 to about 11:45, I will work on orders, and then at 11:45 I'll go ahead and sweep to prepare for the model that is coming in at 12 o'clock. All of the models have different lock lengths, lock thicknesses, and things like that, so we'll be doing different spiral tie lengths on them. But I'll be recording the whole day, so you all can kind of see what my process is like for creating content, especially creating content with people that I've never met before. I have a friend that tells me, like, I have an ability to capture people's personality on camera, even the shyest person. Like, she is super shy. She is not, like, she doesn't think she's photogenic, but I'm always able to get good content of her, so kudos to me. But anyways, we're about to have a day. We're gonna get through it. I still gotta figure out what I am cooking for dinner tonight. Cole might have to, he might have to, yeah, because this is about to be a day, baby. This is about to be a day. So yeah, I got 6 minutes left. I'm about to drink a little bit more matcha, finish up this sandwich, and then get up to the office. All right, so I am in my office, and just as I suspected, girl, I left this office a mess. And it's really just because it's just me in here, and I be doing a whole lot at once. I don't even know if I should show y'all. I'm not even gonna embarrass myself like that. I'm gonna show y'all when it's nice and clean. That's what I'm gonna do. Not even gonna play myself, okay? Because I know it look a mess. Y'all don't need to know too. Like, I feel one in here. I don't know what the other one is. This one was down here. Got this screen so dark I can't tell if you focused or not. So if I'm looking crazy, that's why. Hey, there we go. Okay, let me see. Make sure. Alright, we just wrapped up content for the first model. I got my model switched up. One of the models needed to push her time back because whatever, her makeup ran late, and I thought it was my 12 o'clock model pushing back, but it was my 1 o'clock model pushing back. I'm about to run through these pictures just really fast, go grab some lunch so I can eat. Then I have a model at 2, and then my 1 o'clock is coming at 2:30. So we still have quite a bit to do. We still got to get through orders, but I'm about to check out the content that we did get and start planning out when that will go out. I'm thinking that might be a February 1st drop, but we'll see. All right, so we got some really good content. We did 2 products, and I had her wear it 3 different ways, so I'm able to showcase how the product is used in different types of hairstyles. It is currently $12.50. My next model comes at 2, but I would like to get 1 more spiral tie made. I would like to eat lunch, and then I would like to close out 1 more oh, that was 4. 1 more order that I am working on, because I'm gonna have back to back. I'm gonna have a 2 and a 2:30, so I'll probably be done with the next content sessions by 3 o'clock, and then I can work for the rest of the day until I have to go out to the post office to drop these orders off. But yeah, let's go get us some lunch. I am back from eating lunch. Of course, this battery on this camera needs to be changed for the 50th time today. That is one thing I don't like about this Sony Zv1. The battery dies like crazy. I literally have about 7 or 8 replacement batteries. But anyways, I'm looking for this one fabric. It is 1:30. So I got 15 minutes to get done with this one tie, because we are back to the next content session. I am actually really tired, but it is what it is at this point. So throw up the peace sign or something. I'm like, what can I tell them to do on this part so they're not just standing there? Okay, first of all, I'm gonna get the bag. God, I'm so jealous. This is the length that I think my hair is, but it's clearly not. Turn and face the wall and do one of them shake your hair, say hairs for me. And then like look over your shoulder.
That's why, like, I knew what I was doing when I reached out to you. So that's why I'm like, please don't feel bad.
Oh my God, I am cracking up. I wish I would have known that, because I was like, just wait for it.
Really, in reality, it was like 2 hours and like 7 minutes. I definitely, but I made it
Thursday.
But I work for myself.
All right, so I took my spiral tie out, but model number 3 is here, and y'all, hilarious. She just drove all the way from Milwaukee. I did not know she was coming from Milwaukee. She is not the first person that has come from Milwaukee. However, my Milwaukee girls come for big photo shoots, so this is hilarious. So I'm gonna tell you too.
Okay.
Okay.
So just stand here. Now I feel stupid.
No, you just look at me, smile.
But you know, the best photos are candid though.
Yes,
so it's
it
like,
is.
I can't wait to see you try my videos, because it's gonna be like, okay,
this is gonna be a bunch of laughing. All right, y'all. Content day is finally complete. I have one more order I need to complete and get dropped off to the post office. My body hurts. I definitely overdid it doing content all day, standing up all day. Yeah, my body hurts. I don't know how this baby is laying, but he's laying in a very uncomfortable position. But anyways, I made it through the day, so I'll count that as a win. I just want to go clean, put my feet up, and eat some food. I don't think I got it in me to cook tonight, so I probably will not be cooking tonight. But let me show you all a few of the pictures. You know, some of the stuff is gonna be blurry. I have to go through and look through everything, but I want to show you all some of what I got. I know I showed you all the first model. I have to show you all the second. Oh, no. Show you all the second and third model. And yeah, I'm gonna try not to be thirsty and post this before I get the content edited. Actually, I'll probably show you all the content, the photos, another day, because I'm tired and I need to finish this last order. So I will show you all the pictures another day and just put them in this video. But it's a wrap. That's a wrap. Content days are pretty straightforward. As you can see, I did all the content myself. I'll go in and pick the photos that I like, get the videos edited how I like, get them posted, and that'll be that. I had 3 models, so that content will be spread out over the next few weeks. I have a model coming in tomorrow. I also have a model supposed to be coming in on Monday and then next Saturday, and that will be it for our January models. Next week I will be getting an email sent out to get models in for February, and then we'll do probably one big photo shoot in March to wrap things up before I get ready for my maternity leave. But that's all I have for you all. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next video.